Hello everyone, today our group will introduce the company VLF implemented SAP in the daily operation. Before VLF used the SAP strategy, they are facing lots of challenge and problems. However, they could fix those problems when the surviving SAP implementation in the hospital. Okay, firstly, Flora will talk about the management team's strategy at VLF.
Facing a lot of challenge before the SAP implementation, VLF updated the new system as their restraining forces to deal with change and use the direct conversion approach to fix the problems. In order to make the new system more acceptable in the hospital, VLF made efforts to challenge the project of integrated information systems with SAP and implemented the actual practice with design teams. In the process of practice, not only VLF enhanced their confidence from the performance they have made, but also received some reasonable advice on how to redesign the improper level. Implementing SAP system, VLF selected to use the direct conversion approach because it realized that the entire medical record ERP system must be implemented through all units of the organization. Phase implementation makes no sense to the improvement of efficiency, while direct conversion approach is more efficient.
Thank you, Flora. Okay, next, Germany will analyze the difference of those activities.
In my opinion, when it comes to the decision-making relating the implementation of an ERP system, the management team at VLF chose the Big Bang approach. However, they could have chosen the other approach could face the implementation. Although the Big Bang approach promotes the efficiency in new system implementation, the phased implementation could minimize the problems that occurred later after the application of the Big Bang approach in the case. For example, if phased implementation applied, it could have avoided chaotic situations when frontliners are confused too, and may also maintain the rate of growth rather than witness a decline in the first year's profitability after new ERP.
Okay, thank you, Germany. Finally, Ada and Nico will discuss whether the company's management strategy is suitable in another hospital and industry or not.
The management team of VLF used the SAP strategy to facing their challenge in the different departments. For example, patient care delivery is ineffectual because doctors have to complete the form of patient information by lots of steps. That is very complex and it is easy confusion. Secondly, for medical orders and medical reward recorders, doctors always handwriting the documents, therefore others cannot read it directly. Moreover, back office producers have problems in the billing system, which is always delayed the process and difficult to collect the invoice. All of the problem could be fixed with SAP implementation. Thus, I believe other industry and hospital also have those problems and they could implement the SAP in their system. It will be useful.
Additionally to using the SAP strategy in other hospitals or industries, some problems probably occur that may not actually suit for using in other places. And firstly, this strategy is based on the actual scale of the hospital for considering different types of patients and emergency cases. A large number of medical staff should be allocated, which means the time spent and cost amount during the change is unpredictable. And secondly, the change of strategy perhaps costs the time spent on adjusting and changing among the old system and the new one. And on the other hand, the SAP implementation change could not properly fixed in other strategies and hospitals. For updating technical support in these issues, the financial pressures should be taken into account as well.
Thank you, Ada and Nico. That's all of a group presentation.